Hello, welcome back to Arduino. In this video, I'll show how to interface push button and buzzer with Arduino. So let us go to Walkway Simulator and choose Arduino Uno. Now, choose push button and then buzzer. So in my previous video, I showed how to interface the piezoelectric buzzer with Arduino. Now the purpose of push button is to switch on and off the buzzer sound. So let us first know what is this push button. And if you see the push button, it has 4 pins, one left, one right, 2 left and 2 right. We can use either 1 left and 2 left for the connection or 1 right and 2 right for the connection because it is just like a switch. So 1 always should be connected to any pin of the Arduino and 2 should be grounded so that the switch will be closed. And then when we press, the switch will be closed, and when we switch off, it will be open. So let us try to connect it. So I'm using both left pins, left pin of push button to 7 of my Arduino, and then ground to ground terminal. Second to the ground terminal. So that is push button connection. And then coming to the buzzer, negative always must be connected to ground, that is the black terminal, and the red to pin of Arduino, I'll choose 8 pin. Now, let us start the program. So for communication, obviously with Arduino, with the peripherals, we have to use serial begin. With 9,600 bits per second. So for serial communication between Arduino and its peripherals, we have to use this function. And then now we have used the push button, and we have to use this button as an input pin. So choose pin mode. So the push button is connected to 7th pin. So pin 7 as input, because we are controlling buzzer by using push button input. So that is the initialization. Now coming to the loop part. So when the button is pressed, the buzzer has to produce a sound, and when the button is off, the sound has to be off. So for that, we need to take a variable called X to read the value of the push button. So digital, because it is on and off, so it is a digital read. The button that we have connected for the push button is 7, so 7. So now on and off values, the digital values will be in the X variable. Now, if X is high, that is button is on, then the piezo buzzer has to produce the sound. If X is low, that is button is off, then the piezoelectric buzzer should not produce the sound. So we have to write a loop. If X equal to high, now we'll take a loop. If X is equal to high, the buzzer has to produce the sound. So we know there is a function called tone for the piezoelectric buzzer to produce the sound, and it takes 3 attributes. The first is the pin number. So we have connected pin 8 to the buzzer. So 8, the frequency of the sound we have to give. The second attribute is the frequency. I'll choose 544. gamma, and the time period for the sound production, right? That I'll give 250 milliseconds. So tone is a function which produces the sound. So it takes the value from 8, pin 8, and then produces a sound of frequency 544 hertz for a time period of 250 milliseconds. So if it is not high, if X is not high, that means X is low. Else we can use else. There is a function called no tone. No tone. Here we have to give only the pin number because we are not generating any sound. So pin no tone 8, because 8 is the pin that to which the buzzer is connected, right? Semicolon. So now let us start the simulation. Now, if you press the button, if you press the button, the piezoelectric buzzer produces sound. When we switch off, the sound will be off. So this is a simple program to interface the buzzer with Arduino with the help of a push button.